Hello friends, I'm in the factory now. Behind me you can see the weather is fine. Follow me, let me show you our new machines behind me. Here are all kinds of amphibious excavators in stock for your choice. Nowadays, as the fucking Japan pouring wastewater in the sea, so we river. We have been manufacturing amphibious excavators for the seacoast line for cleaning. Let's do something to defend Japan. Follow my camera, behind me is our workshop. Let me show you our workshop inside clearly. Follow me, please. In water condition, if excavator want to dig, our plant manufactured amphibious excavators can be used. Since orders are proceeded in schedule. Workshop in our factory are full in running. These finished patterns are waiting for assembled. Here outside again. Since photovoltaic projects are widely processed in whole world, here's a stock of pile driver. Some are in purchased order. Some is in stock for you. Here all these various amphibious excavators are in stock for different water condition application. Please kindly take a view. Key points and interest, please just contact me, Max Wu. I will always give you the best quality and excellent price. Please just call me, Max Wu. See you guys next time.